Good afternoon, students. Okay, let us move to the next topic, node analysis. Today video lecture on node analysis. Okay, what is a node? First tell me. The node analysis method is based on the KCL, that is Kirchhoff current law. In this method, the one node assumed as a reference node. Always one node is a reference node because of reference node is very important and it's potentially assumed to be zero. It is voltage should be zero. This reference node starting always zero. The node is also called zero potential node or base node or datum node. It is other nodes. The node voltage variables are assumed to whose voltages are measured to respect to the base nodes. These nodes are the major nodes. The remaining are the base nodes. These nodes are called the major nodes. The various branch currents are assumed to the KCL equation written it as the major nodes. The current variables they express in terms of assumed as a node voltage variables. The current variables are then expressed in terms of the assumed as a node voltages. The variable and branch resistance and analyzing each branch independently. The independently you calculate because of the branch. Assumed as a node voltage variables and branch resistance by analyzing each branch independently. Using these expression KCL equations or set of sinusoidal equation in terms of the node voltage variables is obtained. Why the node voltage variables obtained? Because all these equations required the node voltage. Hence any branch current to be network can be determined. Why the node voltage? Hence the any branch current network can be determined. It's calculate branch current in respect to the node. Okay, some explanation. Here VB, VC is a voltage node with respect to the resistance R3 and R4. In this circuit, the common point all the branches considered as a reference node. This is a reference node. Here the branch A in between the voltage and here the current. The node B and C are the major nodes. Node B and C are the major node because of the voltage with respect to the node voltage VB and VC. Major nodes where the node voltage variables are can be assumed. Show the various branch currents preferably leaving the nodes. Here I1, I2, I3, three current in the major node B and C. Direction of I1 leaving node, I2 leaving current, I3 leaving current. It means minus. Minus I1, minus I2, minus I3 equal to 0 at node B. All three are the leaving, that is minus. Here's second major C node. I3, I4, Ix. Here I3 and Ix will be towards the node side, that is positive. I3 and Ix will be positive. I4 is leaving, minus at node C. Here VB and VC in between R2. That is I3 equal to VB minus VC divided by R2, the branch BC. Here VB minus VC divided by R2 because the difference between the two voltages with major B and C, VB minus VC by R2. In same thing, branch BF. Here I2, the current is flowing I2 in R3, I2 equal to VB minus 0. Here 0, no current, no voltage. VB minus 0 by R3. The finally VB by R3. You write directly VB by R3 also. Because of here 0, you write VB minus 0 by R3. Next, see VC. Same thing. VC, I4 current is flowing to the R4. I4 equal to VC minus 0 divided by R4. That is VC by R4. The branch CZ. Next important, here R1, Vx, 0 voltage. Here I1 current is towards the voltage side. I1 equal to VB minus 0. VB minus 0 by R1. Same thing, VB minus Vx 0 divided by R1 equal to VB minus Vx by R1. Here the now Vx is exists, so the check the direction is Vx tries to force current is positive terminal out of positive, assume the current is I1. Vx opposes VB, that is VB minus Vx by R1 final. Okay, just one problem, simple problem. 5 ohm, 4 ohm, 2 ohm, 5 at angle 0 degree, 2 minus J2, 5 at an angle 90 degree. Okay. Here the various branch currents, I3, I1, I2, I4, here I5, 5 currents. is KCL. I1, I2, I3 all are towards the node. I1, I2, I3. I1, I2, I3. That is I1, I2, I3. All are living. This you take as a two nodes I1 plus I2 plus I3 equal to 0. Remaining I2, 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 I4, I5. Here I2 is towards the node side, that is positive. I4 and I4 is away from the node, that is minus, equal to 0. Two equations. Here from equation 1 and 2, rearranging V1 is common. What is I1, what is I2, what is I3? Here you write. What is I1? V1 minus 5 at an angle 0 divided by 5 because of 5 ohm. That is I1. What is I2? V1 V2 divided by 4. What is I3? V1 divided by J2. What is I4? V2 by divided by minus J2. That is J is come outside. V2 by I2 minus J2 plus J V2 by 2. What is I5? V2 minus 5 at angle 90 divided by 2. Just to simplify, I1, I2, I3, I4, I5, you substitute the value here. Equation 1 and equation 2. This equation 3 and 4. Using equation 1 and 2, rearranging equation 3 and 4. Because of I1, I2, I3 value substitute and I2, I4, I4 value substitute, you D, the determinant will be calculated. Next D1. What is D1? 1 by J25. Here 1 by J25. 1 by J25. Next you calculate D1. Cross multiplication. You get this value 1.352 minus 123. Same just similarly D2. D2 second row will be change, second column will be change. Just multiply these two. Again we get 1.825, 143. V1 equal to D1 by D, V2 equal to D2 by D. We get the value V1 and V2. Stop the video. Thank you. The remaining next video lecture.